Hello friends, and welcome to AK Agarwal Aptitude series. Friends, in this session we are going to learn a technique for solving a problem on escalators. Here the given problem is a person decided to use the escalator of a station. He found that he requires 40 seconds to reach the bottom. However, if he steps down 12 steps, he would require only 25 seconds to reach the bottom. Find out the height of the stairway in steps. The escalator is having steps. It is a self-moving steps. So the person, if he comes down, he is standing on one step and he comes down at the bottom in 40 seconds. But when stairs are coming down, or when the escalator is moving down, he steps down 12 steps. So he would require only 25 seconds. So what is the height of a stairway in steps? So friends, to answer this question, let us assume number of steps is equal to x. In the escalator there are x steps. Now whether the person is moving downward or upward, or whether person is not moving, in all the cases speed of the escalator will remain constant. So let us determine speed of escalator. This is speed is equal to distance upon time. Now distance is measured in terms of steps. There are x steps, so speed of the escalator is equal to x upon 40, because he takes 40 seconds if the person is just at the top of the escalator and the escalator is moving downward. So speed of the escalator is equal to x upon 40. But if the person steps down 12 steps, he would require only 25 seconds to get to the bottom. It means this speed must be equal to the speed of the stairs when the person gets down 12 steps. Means total steps the escalator is moving x minus 12, and how much time it is taking? 25 seconds. So in these two condition, speed of the escalator remains constant. So this is 25 into x is equal to 40 into x minus 12. Solving this equation, we get x is equal to 32. So the staircase consists of 32 steps. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. You can also follow me on Facebook. Thank you.